Hi there, this is Dan from Follett, and I've got some real important tech tips for you. If you have one of our 7 or 15 series dispenser that's being put back into service, okay, you should be doing the normal cleaning and sanitizing procedure on this. But while you're at it, I'm going to encourage you to take a couple extra minutes. We're going to show you a couple extra steps to make sure that this machine is running great. Okay, we're going to pull off our front cover. We're going to disconnect our electrical. We're going to disconnect our water line from the front panel. Now underneath the top cover, we've got our cleaning instructions, the standard cleaning instructions for the machine, how to go about that. What we're doing for standard cleaning, we're going to be mixing for a 7 series, 3 8-ounce bottles of our Safe Clean Plus ice machine cleaner with 3 gallons of hot water. If this happens to be a 15 series dispenser, you'd be mixing 6 of these bottles with 6 gallons of hot water. Okay, but what I want to get at is the drain and feed tube. Okay, it's a very important part of the machine. That's what's taking the water from the reservoir, feeding into the evaporator. And we're going to check and see if this guy has any issues, any clogs or whatnot going on there. So we're going to take off the red cap. We're going to drain out any remaining water, okay, melt water from the hopper or any other water that's in the water reservoir. We're going to get it all drained out. Now this tube comes off really pretty easily. You're going to pull it straight off of the evaporator inlet. We're going to push straight down from the water reservoir outlet. And then our connection in the back here to the hopper has a little pinch clamp on it. We're going to push that clamp up and down at the same time to release that guy. Now this drain and feed tube, okay, it's really important that it's not only clean and sanitized, but it's free of any kind of debris or blockage. I've got a brush here that I got at the restaurant supply store. It fits into this 1/2-inch ID really nicely. This is actually a coffee urn brush. Okay, so that can fit into all these different passages on the tube. We're going to want to be doing that with our ice machine cleaner. Mix up a little solution of 1 bottle to 1 gallon of hot water. Make sure this guy is all cleaned and sanitized really well before you go on the normal cleaning and sanitizing procedure. And something, if you've got several of these machines that you're going to be working on, okay, help yourself out. Pick up a spare couple of these drain and fill tubes, okay? Part number 0095 7720. Okay, save yourself some time. Now, when we're looking at the connections here, I'm going to take an inspection mirror. I've got a flashlight. I'm going to look into the inlet of the evaporator and check to see that I don't have any scale forming, any biofilm that could be causing a blockage. And I can actually see all the way into the auger this way. I'm looking up into now the water reservoir, and I can actually see the white float that's on the inside, and I can see that that's all nice and clean, that there's no blockage. We can also go back here and look at the drain from the hopper and check its condition too. So really important to make sure you've got good flow going through the drain and fill tube. And again, save yourself some time, get an extra hose or two, so it makes this whole procedure a lot faster. When you're putting this back together, make sure that that's pushed up very well into the bottom of the reservoir. Now, one other quick thing you can do while you're at it, let's take our flashlight and inspect the inside of the hopper. We're checking to see if we've got a lot of calcium that's around on the inside, okay? Maybe you've got an area where you've got higher mineral content, you've got a lot of lime and calcium. It might be indicative that you need to clean or sanitize this machine a little bit more. So anyway, I hope this helps out. Check everything on this system and get back to work.